Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix any issues related to screen rotation not working on the REALME C71. Let's begin. We can begin with simply checking if we have our screen rotation enabled. On REALME, we can simply expand our control center twice, and as you can see, we have a little auto rotate option here. When we click on it, our auto rotation will work, and if we click it once again, it will not. If you don't see this button, I would simply advise you to click three dots in the top right corner, go to edit, simply find auto rotation here, and click that plus icon, just like I did with live caption. Anyway, now we can go back, we can simply enable the auto rotation. We can try to open, for example, Chrome browser, and let's try to rotate it into landscape mode. As you can see, it is working fine without any issues whatsoever. It is important to note that some applications do not support certain modes. For example, many games do that, like Clash Royale. You can easily play it on the portrait mode, but you will never be able to play it on the landscape mode. And the same things can be said to, for example, Call of Duty, but this time with landscape mode, which is only supported by this application, and you cannot play Call of Duty in the portrait mode. And lastly, if you still encounter any issues related to your screen rotation, I would simply advise you to go into your control center once again, go to three dots in the top right corner, and simply go to power off and restart. I know it sounds kind of silly, but it is pretty important to reboot your phone once in a while, since you're not only rebooting your software, but also your hardware. So, for example, you're also rebooting gyroscope, which is responsible for screen rotation system. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.